Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is the Edited Mom, and I make videos all about simplifying, organizing, and editing your life. Today I'm going to be bringing you along as I clear out, reorganize, and kind of rejig my toddler's closet. I initially started doing this process every 3 months, or as she would grow out of one size and into another. But I'm not gonna lie, it's been a minute, so there's quite a lot to go through here. If you'd like to see how I sort through my daughter's absolute mountain of stuff, please keep on watching. So here's what we're working with today. This is Chloe's closet. So we've got on the top some shelves for storage. We've got most of her clothes hung up. I am not a fan of folding, so most of her things are hung. We got her shoes on the top of her dresser, and then her dresser, which was a hand-me-down. On the sides of the closet here, I've put some command hooks, and I just hung up the diaper bags that I rotate through. On the side here, we've got some junk that I need to get through, and a lot of clothes that I've let pile up that she no longer fits on this side. So we need to get through that. And then over here, yes, I still have a Christmas tree up because my life is not completely together. Over here, we've got a box of socks and shoes that need to be put away, and some more boxes of clothes that I have let pile up and need to be put away today. In her drawers in the dresser, you can see that I had a sorting system, but I have let that completely go to poop. So we'll be going through that today. The second drawer, I have her PJs, which she mostly stays in PJs, so she has a lot of them. If we're not leaving the house, she's not getting out of PJs. Then we have t-shirts. A lot of them are missing, and in the laundry, we have that. And there, the next drawer is all her pants and the bottoms to her dresses. In that drawer, and junk. So the very first thing I always make sure to do is the laundry. I wash, dry, sort, and put away all of her clothes, just so I know where everything goes, and I can make sure if there's anything that no longer fits her, it can go away into the bins that I'm going to put everything in. So her first drawer is PJs, and as you can see, it's like stuffed to the brim because she has a ton, but a lot of these don't fit, so I'm going to take these out. I actually have these little storage things that I got off Amazon. They come as a pack of 3, I think, or it comes with one that's has 2 sides, and then these single ones. So these luckily fit perfectly, so I have the double one and 2 singles, and it helps me completely organize this. So I pull these out and I start sorting through and seeing which ones don't fit anymore. Now I'm going drawer by drawer, and I'm taking out all of those little dividers I have in there, and I'm taking all of the clothes that don't fit her anymore and putting them away in the storage bins. Next up, the hanging clothes. So these are all her hung up clothes. I got these really cool dividers from Amazon. I'll link them down below, but I use these just so I know like if she's in between sizes what is what. So I'll hang that up there, and these are all 12-month, and then there's another divider, and these are her 18-month clothes, and she is currently slightly too big for all of these 12-month clothes, so they'll come out now. Next up is her hanging clothes. Luckily, like I showed, I have those dividers up there, so I can just grab all of the ones that I know don't fit her anymore in one fell swoop, take them off the hangers, and put them away. So we had to take a little break for someone to have lunch and a nap, but we're back. Progress so far. We've gotten all of this stuff in the closet done. So the hanging clothes we got done. We got through all of the drawers. Now we just have this section of things that don't fit her anymore, and also all of those things that don't fit her. So we've gotta get through all that, and yeah, we're almost there. So next I take all of the clothes I've let pile up. If it looks like she has a ton of clothes, it's because she absolutely does. But in my defense, between her two grandmothers and all of her aunts, she is never in need of clothing. I don't think we buy her too many things ourselves, but she's always getting clothes and hand-me-downs from everybody. So those, unfortunately, I started to keep them all sorted and together, like all of the same sizes together, but I did not keep up with that system, so I'm just sorting through all of them to keep all the same sizes together and all the same types of clothing, like PJs, outfits, and all that. I'm sorting through that, and then I will fold them and put them away in the bins. If we come back over to the closet, up top we have a bunch of things I need to get sorted through, a bunch of things that I've just let pile up there, some storage of things that we're not really using anymore. Okay, next thing to tackle is this drawer. Like you can see, kind of had a system. But we gotta sort through that and make sure, like, this bow doesn't go here, this doesn't go here. So I'm just gonna sort through all this and make sure everything's in the right spot. Next, I'm taking out these little dividers that I got from Target. These are really awesome. I'll link them down below. But I'm sorting through, like, I have her hair bows, large hair bows, smaller hair bows. I have headbands and all that. I'm just making sure everything's in the right spot, because it does get mixed up as I'm going throughout my day. Alright, this is it all done. So I've completely gotten rid of all the junk that was up there. There's a few extra boxes if I want to store some things. Those are some nursing pads for when I need them again. She's got her summer hats up there. And these two things are a couple more things that don't fit her anymore, but I ran out of space in those bins, so I'll have to run to Target and get some more or find some other kind of solution. And these two bins are some things that she's gonna grow into. These are from Ikea, these bins. So they're nice and divided, so I can divide all of her things. But there's 2 of those for the things that she doesn't fit yet. There's another pair of shoes that she will grow into, and there's a couple boxes back there that are shoes that she'll grow into. These are the clothes that she can fit right now, and she's got some jackets and extra hangers. I sort all of her clothes by like outfits, so these are like outfits in the front. That way the pants don't get all over the shoes and block me from seeing what shoes she has. And she has her shirts and like sweaters. It's spring, but it's still kind of chilly here. I actually just found a bunch of clothes that are her like spring summer clothes, so I'll have to wash those and insert them here. But we've got plenty of room now, and we've got plenty of extra hangers. Her shoes, she didn't grow out of any shoes, so they're all still there. I've cleaned out over here, so I've got lots of space. There's just a bag of things and her Ergo baby that I don't use anymore. And then over here, I kept that bin down here, so whenever she doesn't fit anything anymore, I don't keep it in the closet or in the drawers or hung up or anything. I just toss it over here and start the whole process again. And then over here, this bin is nice and cleared out, empty. And these are the 2 storage bins that I've completely filled up. I know it kind of looks like a hot mess, but everything in there is folded and sorted by size and outfit and all that. There's just a bunch of shoes that I've kind of just haphazardly tossed on top, but they all have matches and they're all sorted in there. So yeah, that is it. So here it is, all done. This whole process does take me kind of all day, but I do stop to like feed my daughter and put her down for naps, and obviously I can't be working in there while she's napping, and also I need to eat. So it takes me all day, but I do stop for other things. But here it is, all done, and I'm sure the process wouldn't take me so long if I actually kept up with it, but oh well, that's life. So that's it. Like I said, I try to do this process about every 3 months or as she moves into the next size, but obviously that doesn't always happen. As usual, I want to hear from you guys. What are your best tips or things you use most often in your kids' closets to keep them organized and not like a complete mess? Please leave them in the comments down below. I want to read through all of them. Remember to thumbs up this video if you liked it and subscribe for more. I post videos every Tuesday on simplifying, organizing, and mommying. Thank you guys. I'll see you next time. Bye bye. One more thing. The next video will be the much anticipated room tour for Chloe's room. Bye guys. Nursery tour? Room tour? Is it still a nursery if they're like 16 months old? I did actually decide to do my hair for this video. Thank you for noticing.